Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to upload these Canva hair templates to Shopify that I made. This is a pre-built Shopify hair store. It is for sale, link in the description. We even have vendors on hand who will ship the items out for you. So link in the description to view this pre-made store. So we are on the home page. We're going to select online store. And then after that, you are going to click customize. And we are starting with the logo. So what I'm going to do is click the mobile view and then click the logo and click theme settings so I can upload the logo. I already have them downloaded to my computer. So be sure to do that from Canva, and then I'll click the logo. And once that's uploaded, I'll click done and I'll blow up the desktop logo. And then I'll click save. And then also I'm going to go ahead and change the header as well. I'm going to change the name or the words. I'm going to make it say like welcome to Wig Heaven, the name of the store, as you can see. And then after that, we're going to upload the first banner. So I'll go to image banner and I'll hide like all the text and everything. And then again, I'll upload the photo, which is the banner for my desktop. So I have three banners to upload. That's the first one. And then I'm going to adjust or adapt to first image, and then I'll click save. And then to upload the second banner, it's the same process. Well, actually I have to go to add section. So go to add section and then image banner. And then you'll of course hide the text and the buttons, and then you'll click image banner and then upload the second banner from your desktop. Click add images, find the second banner. Once that is uploading, click save or done, and then again, adapt to first image. And then after that, we are doing the same process for the third banner, add section, image banner, hide the buttons, the text, click image banner again, and then upload the third banner. So this is a pre-built Shopify store. Like I stated, it does come synced with inventory. So if you don't want to, have the inventory on hand or do wholesale, we do have drop shipping vendors who will, ship the items out to your customers for you. And this is the pre-built Shopify hair wig store. So link in the description if you want to view that. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and add a few products. And like I said, I'm not syncing the vendor. I'm just adding stock photos just to, make the store look complete. I made these in Canva, and you can definitely find these stock photos in Canva as well. These right here, the bundle hair wigs. So just type in hair wig or bundles in Canva search for photos. So I'm going to show you guys again. I just click add product, and then I'll upload the image from my computer, and then I'll name it, give it a price, just so, the website can look cohesive and put together. So after those are uploaded, I'm going to click save, and I'm going to show you guys how to, after I add the price, I'm going to go back and show you guys how to do the cover photos. So I made all of these on Canva, and they are edible. So if you were to buy a pre-built store, you can edit all of these in Canva and change around the colors and text and all that. So I am adding the cover photos. So I go one by one. You go to products and then collections. And then I will name the collection based off of the photo. And then I will click save. And after that, I'm going to show you guys again. You'll click create collection, add the photo from your desktop or laptop. And then once that is loaded, I'll click done, and then I will name it. And then after that, I'll click save, and we're going to go back to customizing the store. So after clicking save, I would then click online store, customize. And then once we are back, I'm going to change the color scheme. So I don't want to do black just because it looks a little bit too rough. I want that same teal aqua blue color. So what I'll do is I'll go to Canva and I'll get that same hex code. Once clicking it, I'll just copy it and paste it back into Shopify. So this is just a little trick to, make sure your website is branded in the same colors. Because if I was to do pink, it's kind of like what? It don't match, So got the same color hex code, and I'll change the footer as well to that same color, which is the fourth one. And then I'll click save. And then once that is done, this is what the website is starting to look like. She's cute, she's cute, she's cute. And then I would change right here. I'll say like featured bundles or something, and I'm going to change the text as well with the font. So I'm going to show you guys how to change the font for the website. I'll click the gear and then typography. and then I'll, choose which font looks best for the website. And I figured this one looks the best for like a hair wig website. And as you can see, it's flowing. It's very cute. So this is the final look. Like I stated, you can click the link in the description to view this website or to purchase. If you want to start your own hair company business, like I said, we have vendors who will ship the items for you. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.